Alright, so today I'm going shopping to get some groceries, mostly vegetables and stuff. And there's these places called La Fruteria, and you can get really cheap food. They only accept cash. So I had to go to an ATM, and I don't know what she's talking about, but the place that I normally go to for my ATM, it is broken. And so ATM is automatic transaction machine. It's a cash machine basically. So now I'm on a mission to find an ATM and get some cash and then walk all the way back to La Fruteria, which is right next to my house. But for any of you guys that have been to Quito, you know it's not as easy as it sounds to find an ATM here. So, wish me luck. Okay, so I found an ATM and it doesn't work, of course. So, on to the next one. Okay. I'm now trying a pharmacy. And see if this one works. Alright, that one did work. Thank you, pharmacy. And I pulled out $50, which is way more than I'm gonna need, but it'll be enough cash for the whole week. And it was $1.50 for the ATM fee, and there's a 3% foreign transaction fee. Thanks, Bank of America. You guys rock. But yeah, so pulling out $50 cost $150. So it was like $53, $53.50, something like that. But good news is I got my cash, and now I'm gonna go get some fruits and vegetables at La Fruteria. So I mentioned in an earlier video that I lived by Plaza de Toros, and this is it. It's a bullfighting ring that's retired. I don't think they use it anymore. I don't think they use it for anything. But I only live like 2 blocks away from there, so that's kind of cool. So this La Fruteria is on the corner of Ila Isabela y Cayepi, and it is the best place to get fruits and vegetables if you're in this area. By far the best. Nicest people, super fun, super cheap, good quality, all organic. So if you're in the area, check it out. So this is La Fruteria, and I think they're all over Quito. And if you're a vegetarian or a vegan, these places are going to be your best friend. You're about to see how much fruit and vegetables I can get for such a low cost. Y 4 cebolla roja y 4 cebolla blanca. Papas. 5 tomatos.
$16.50. Ese es su yapa. Yeah.
Alright, so I am back from La Fruteria, and I got all of this for, wait for it, $20. So I got all sorts of stuff. I got bananas, I I got broccoli, a ton of broccoli. These are lemons, and I think that might be an orange. I don't know, we'll put that right in the middle. Apples, green apples, cebolla roja, red onions, garlic, tomatoes, all these eggs, potatoes, white onions, peppers, strawberries, carrots, lentils. I mean, all of this fresh, organic food for $20. I don't know how much that would be in the States, maybe 35, 40 bucks, but like I said, all of this for 20 bucks, amazing deal. All of this food for 20 bucks. It's not a bad deal at all. So that concludes my La Fruteria episode. Stay tuned to more amazing content by Let's Change. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to support even more, you can go to my Patreon page. The link is in the description. I'm still setting it up though. But anything you can do to help and contribute would be great. If you don't want to do the Patreon, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much, guys. See you next time.